Anything to say there, Gumby, to your grandmother? Hmm? What? What do you got to say? Who? You got something to say? Uh-oh. He's got something to say. Alright. What do you want to say there, Polly? Got something to say? Huh? What do you want to say? Yeah, he's camera shy. Well, this is our day to head off to Florida. And you guys are going to be missing us. Tell already. Whoop, whoop, he's going to say something again. Come on, you camera shy jerky. Gumby's the only one who got something to say. Alright. How about you, Fortune? Anything you want to say to your grandmother? No? We're going to be gone for about a week and a half. Alright. Alrighty then. What are you doing over there, you freak? Huh? What are you doing over there? What does that mean? What does that mean? Alrighty. You know, Fluff and Tuffy. Yeah, you want to do something now, tough guy? Huh? Oh, look at that. You don't like that camera? Alright, we'll get away then. What are you yapping about? Alright. Yeah, I know.